Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to unfreeze rows in Excel. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. If your top row or multiple rows are stuck while scrolling, that means Freeze Panes is turned on. To unfreeze it, go to the top menu and click on the View tab. In the View tab, look for Freeze Panes. Click on the arrow and from the drop-down, select Unfreeze Panes. As soon as you do that, the rows will scroll normally again. And that's it. You've successfully unfreezed rows in Excel. If this video helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.